Hey guys, in this video I'm going to go over some of the muscles of the leg. So first we're going to look at the leg from the anterior view. Now looking from the top, number 1 is going to be the psoas major. This is the iliacus. Number 2, iliacus is a muscle that's on the iliac portion of the hips. And when the two come together in this area, they form the iliopsoas. Now moving down, you could see the tensor fascia lati. This long muscle here is going to be the Sartorius. We could take these muscles off. Right here. So you have the rectus femoris, vastus medialis, right here, vastus lateralis, and on your checklist you could also see vastus intermedialis, which is going to be underneath the rectus femoris, right here. Moving down, you have the tibialis anterior, right here. Now there's other muscles here on the anterior side and on the sides of the leg. However, it's not on your checklist, so you guys don't need to know those. And we're going to move medially now. So these muscles over here, these are the adductors. So remember, brevis means short, longus means long, and magnus means wide. So this muscle here, which is really hard to see, this is going to be the adductor brevis. It's not on your checklist, so don't worry about it. This one is the adductor longus, number 13, and you guys do need to know that. And this one, number 14, is the adductor magnus. And number 15, this muscle that comes on top of the adductors, is the gracilis. So moving to the posterior portion of the leg, here you have the gluteus maximus. And if I take that off, you could see these muscles underneath. So number 4, this is the gluteus medius, piriformis, superior gemellus, right here, obturator internus, inferior gemellus, and this is the quadratus femoris. Now down here, you have on this side, the lateral side, the biceps femoris. On your checklist, you have the long head and the short head. So remember that the long head is on top, right here, and the short head is going to be underneath, right here. On the medial side, you have the semitendinosus and semimembranosus. Semitendinosus is the muscle on top, and the way I think about it is that it's the one that has the tendon right here, and semimembranosus is going to be underneath right here. Now moving down, this muscle over here is the gastrocnemius. Gastrocnemius has a medial head and a lateral head. So this is the medial head on the medial side, and this is the lateral head. Below, right here, you have the soleus, this muscle over here. On your checklist, you also have another muscle called the plantaris, and I'll try to show you guys that. It's hard to find. So plantaris is going to be this muscle over here. So it's going to be right underneath the medial head of the soleus. And also you guys need to know the Tibialis Posterior, which is number 28 over here. And those are the muscles that you guys need to know for the leg.